So this year is Sonic.EXE or EXE, whichever you prefer. But I know one thing, there was no tutorial for me on YouTube, so here you go. First, you want to make sure your kids' lips are not chapped, because once that makeup go on, ain't no going back. Then you want to take the black crayon, outline the top of their eye, their face with an eye area, like Robin from Teen Titan or something, or a raccoon. Then take the yellow, do the bottom half, take the white, and you want to make some creepy jack-o'-lantern teeth. Leave some space in between because you want to shade it in with black so it can look like a creeping open smile, okay? Then you just shade in the rest. Now these crayons I got from Spirit Halloween. It was 5 different colors in a pack for $2.99. The hat came from Amazon in the description box below, and it was a little bit difficult. I took a little bit of the stuffing out and adjusted the straps with some hot glue so it wouldn't slide off his head and look so crazy when he runs. And then I just decided to go in and blend everything because it was starting to look a little streaky. With his skin tone, the yellow went well, but I'm not sure with a brighter skin tone you might want to add brown or mix it or whatever. Make sure you do it before, mix it before you put it on the face, because you don't want to mess it up. And as of right now, I'm just touching up all the little areas that I felt like it looked a little crazy. The teeth definitely need a little bit more cleaner lines because at night I wanted them to be the main focal point. And I went in and shaded all areas blue again that was not black or yellow. And here's the final look. So I hope I saved another parent from blowing their shit on Halloween. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and save it for next year. Bye.